That's right, sports fans. It's been a while. I've noticed there's been a few more subscribers lately, so I thought I'd make a video just to let you know I'm still around. It's been a couple of years since I've posted anything. I've had a few major setbacks, but we're back at it again. And this is one of the projects I just did, was throw a Alton starter kit on this thing, as you can probably see there. And it's a pretty good kit. Seems to work well. This is the second one I've installed, so they're pretty good. Pretty reliable. Haven't had any problems with them. But anyway, things are pretty much same in the garage here, same lineup. But Norton's got the starter kit on it. And thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it, but I haven't got a lot of content here these days. But if you go to the Alton website, they have tutorials on how to install these things, pretty detailed. And if you get any questions, put them in the comment section. Thanks for tuning in.